Good afternoon and welcome to Your Best Car. My name is Jamie and I'm here at one of our two UK based dealerships. We're in Cranbrook, Kent, just 10 miles outside of Tunbridge Wells and only 40 minutes train journey from London. Other branches of Buckinghamshire and combined with over 1,000 5-star reviews. Now before I start this walk around video, the full description and specification for this car will be on our website and on Auto Trader. So today we have this wonderful Toyota CHR XL. It's presented in the stunning Eclipse black metallic paint, and it's fitted with the 18-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. Now this Toyota CHR has just had one private local owner from brand new, and it's fitted with a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine paired to a CVT automatic gearbox. It's incredibly efficient, it's very smooth, and it's also very quiet as well, so it makes it a very comfortable driving experience. So let's talk about the specification. XL trim, it gives you pretty much every option that you need on the Toyota CHR. It's the top level trim, so XL is definitely the one to have. CHR is such a unique shape. It's higher up off the ground, it offers a great boot space, great practicality in the rear, so I'll open it up for you so we can have a look at the inside and some of those options. So first of all, you've got electrically folding wing mirrors, rear privacy glass fitted, just combining perfectly with that Eclipse black paintwork, opening up to a full leather interior. See the black leather, and you've got this part burgundy trim, so burgundy leather on the dashboard and just on the centre armrest here as well. You've also got burgundy inserts just across the door cards, across the side here. Electrically folding wing mirrors and electric adjustments. Manually adjustable seats with lumbar support. Just having a look at the multifunctional leather wrapped steering wheel. So on here you've got your lane assist, you've also got cruise control function just down below there. Keyless start and keyless entry. Fully automatic headlights, and then moving across to your main infotainment display. So the system is really easy to use. It's a touchscreen display, and you've got built-in satellite navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. You've also got a reversing camera and front and rear parking sensors, so it's super easy to park and manoeuvre. Heated seats for the driver and the front passenger. Dual zone climate control, air conditioning functions as well. One thing I did forget to mention is just up above you've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, so again that is perfect if you're driving at night. You never have to worry about having to manually adjust that. Moving down to the centre console, you've got your automatic gearbox, your gear lever, and then your electric handbrake here. EV mode if you want to drive an all electric just at low speeds in traffic, for example. Auto hold assist, and then you've got your track control button just in the centre there. A couple of handy cup holders, one there and one just down below, so plenty of storage in cubby holes. USB point as well to charge your phone. You also get some extra storage underneath the leather armrest. So moving on to the rear. Now, looking at the back, you've got Isofix points fitted in the outer rear seats. Again, full leather interior, so it's really easy to maintain and keep clean. Carpet mats fitted in the front and the back as well. Plenty of room for rear passengers. Just moving round to the rear. Hybrid badge just on the side there. Opening up the boot, and this is a really generous boot space. As I say, it's such a practical car. You've got the parcel shelf fitted up above. You can split fold the seats if you do need the extra room. You've got a very handy Toyota CHR rubber boot liner, so just protecting the carpet underneath. Moving round to the near side, just appreciating that Eclipse black paintwork. It's a lovely colour, It goes really well with the alloys and the rear privacy glass. Love the shape of them as well. The spoiler at the back here, shark fin aerial at the top. Moving round to the front, LED daytime running lights, fog lights at the bottom. And as I mentioned at the start, you do get keyless entry and keyless start. So as long as you've got the key in your pocket, you simply walk up to the car, press and hold against that. Electric folding wing mirrors fold in just to let you know it's locked. As easy as that. So especially if you've got your hands full, it's such a great function. So just summarising this Toyota CHR XL, you've got the 1.8 litre powerful yet efficient engine, 120 brake horsepower, low insurance group, low running costs, full leather interior, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, 18-inch alloys, rear privacy glass, Eclipse black paint, really practical shape as well. Like I say, slightly higher off the ground so you get a better view of the road ahead. Great boot space as well. It is a really great all-rounder. So if you are interested, please do give us a call on 01580 712 115 or email us at sales@yourbestcar.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you soon.